everyone. My name is Jai Krishna, and I'm currently working as a AI scientist at Microsoft. And I wanted to show different kinds of videos about the recent AI and technology. So today, as part of that, I want to show how you can actually run a Microsoft's new small model, which is the Phi-3 model, which is roughly around like 3 billion parameters. So it kind of works on anybody's laptop as of now. So I also wanted to show how to use LM Studio, which is a really cool way you can actually download any app or model, and you can just chat with it in a regular way without any further installations or anything. Just download the model and run the chat based system. So let's get started. And let's go to lmstudio.ai and download the Mac version of it. Okay. Once you open the studio, let's search for Phi-3 model. Let's go here. As you can see that, let's install the first one. You can see that was downloaded by a lot of people. And let's click on this one and click on download. And let's click the smallest one, which is the regular Q4 bit model. Okay, so the model has been downloaded. So let's try to run a chat version of it. So let's say we go to we go to the home and click the AI chat button, and you just need to select the model you want to load. And you can see that I do have only one model, which is like a Phi-3 model from Microsoft. So let's select that. Hmm, let's click on accept a new system prompt. And let's try some small example, which is like, can you tell me the capital of Paris? And let's try to ask some complex questions. Let's try to ask some who is the president? Let's try to see if it asks the country for us or it was. So you can see that it's actually referring to United States by default. You can see it is started hallucinating, and you can see I just asked who is the president, but you can see that it started giving some about animals, species, and other stuff, which is bad. Let's try to regenerate it to see that if it actually gives good results this time. Now it is referring to the president of France, because our previous question is France, I guess. And I know it's giving some gibberish stuff here. So I don't know why it's pretty bad. So this thing, but as you can see that you can download any model whichever you want. This LM Studio does has most of the models, and the models will be downloaded to your local machine, and from there you can actually run any model which you want. So now we just tested like 5.3 model, and in future I just want to test like 5.3 model versus like the Llama 7 billion model. So that would be fun to see which one actually does perform well, but from the whether the 3 billion model or the 7 billion model. So thank you very much.